Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Digiman's channel, where we bring to you the latest and greatest tips to help your business thrive in this digital marketing realm. Today, we have an incredibly important topic that every marketer and business owner should master, talking about email list cleaning. Email marketing is a powerful tool, but a clean and engaged email list is the key to unlocking its full potential. In today's video, I will be taking you through the ins and outs of email list cleaning, why it's crucial to clean your email list, and how you can do it effectively. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscription button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out in any of our valuable content in this channel. Alright, let's get started with the basics, like why is email list cleaning important? Well, here are 3 compelling reasons why it's necessary to clean up your email list from time to time. The first reason is that it improves your email deliverability. What I am saying is that when your email list is clean, it has fewer bounces, spam complaints, and uninterested subscribers, which sends signals to email service provider that your emails are valuable. The second reason is that it enhances engagement. Sending email with clean list means that your messages are reaching the right people who genuinely want to hear from you, whereby increasing the open and click-through rates. The third reason, which is the last reason in this video, is that it saves you money and time. Once your email list is clean, you don't waste your resources on sending emails to inactive or invalid email addresses, whereby helping you to save money. Permit me to tell you that clean email lists are cost effective and efficient. Now, let's dive into the practical detail of how to clean your email list effectively. Step number 1 is to carry out detail-oriented data verification by verifying your subscribers' information using email verification tools that I will tell you in this video to check for typos, syntax errors, and invalid email addresses. This step is crucial for maintaining a high-quality email deliverability. Number 2 step is to identify and remove inactive subscribers that haven't engaged with your email for a quite number of time. Since they are not engaging with your email, there is no need keeping them. So say goodbye to them, because there is no point keeping them in your inbox. What you want are active and engaged subscribers and not multitude. So keep the active, engaged subscribers and let go those inactive subscribers. Alright? Step number 3 is to manage your email bounce by following these 7 tips that I am going to tell you right away, that is going to help you lower the bounce rate in your emails while sending. Number 1 tip is for you not to buy, rent, or harvest email addresses from unknown sources. Tips number 2 is for you to use confirmed opt-in processes while building your email list. Tips number 3 is to verify your existing email list regularly to enable you remove inactive ones, whereby helping you reduce bounce rates. Tips number 4 is to monitor deliverability by domains. Tips number 5 is to check your messages against spam filters, because when your message is not checked against spam filters, it possibly increases your bounce rate. Tips number 6 is for you to remove repeated sub-bounce emails. What that means is that in the course of you sending your emails, if a particular email address keep bouncing back your messages, then ensure you remove them from your email list to enable you stop those bouncing rates, because if it continues, it's possibly going to cause harm to your reputation in future. Tips number 7 is allow users to change their email addresses with you if needed. These email bounces we're talking about might be a soft bounce or hard bounce, depending on the cause of the mail bouncing. Soft bounce might be a temporary issues that occurred while you're trying to send out your mail to your subscriber, while the hard bounce in other hands is undeliverable addresses, meaning that the email address you are using is possibly not correct and there is no how the email is possibly going to be delivered. But when it is a temporary, which is soft bounce, it means that the email address is okay, but something happened along the way that actually prevented the mail from being sent. So you need to check your mail regularly. If it is soft bounce, you try to identify the cause of it, and if it is hardbound, you remove the email address entirely from your email list. Therefore, keep an eye on them and act when observed to enable you build a quality email list among your subscribers. Okay? That takes us to step number 4, which is segment your email list based on engagement levels and interest. Segmenting your email list will allow you to send targeted message and relevant content, whereby posting your engagement level among your subscribers. Someone may be asking, what kind of tool can I use to do this cleaning exercise in my email inbox? Don't worry, there are plenty of email list cleaning tools available to make this process easier for you. Tools like Zero Bounce, Never Bounce, Emailable, Mailflux, Bouncer, MailerCheck, and all the rest of them can help you streamline your effort in this email cleaning strategy. My email marketers, you are now equipped with the knowledge to master email list cleaning. Remember, it's an ongoing process, so keep monitoring and refining your list regularly. Your email marketing effort will thank you for doing so in no time. Before we wrap up in today's video, don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow marketers, and leave your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you are new to this channel, hit the subscription button and join my growing community of like-minded individuals. Thank you for tuning in today. Stay tuned for more valuable insight on GK Digimas channel. Until next time, keep your email list clean and your marketing effort booming. GK Digimas channel loves you all. Bye for now. Thank you.